Hi everyone! Renate here from Crafty Renate. Today I have another hairstyle tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to do a pull-through ponytail. So in the past I've done a hairstyle that's a little similar, but I did my entire hair in a pull-through braid. So if you're interested in seeing that hairstyle and how to do it, I will link it up here in the corner and at the end of this video. But today we're gonna make it a high ponytail with a pull-through effect. So I really hope you're gonna like it. For this hairstyle, you will need some of these little see-through hair elastics, a bigger hair elastic, and a hair clip. Grab a section of hair from the top and tie with the hair elastic. Pull the hair above the hair elastic to make it poofy. Flip the ponytail up and clip it out of the way. Grab another section of hair right below the ponytail and tie with the hair elastic. Unclip the first ponytail, divide it into two sections, and bring those sections underneath the second ponytail on the left and on the right side. Flip the top ponytail up and clip out of the way. Grab a strand of hair from the left and right side, add those to your ponytail and tie with the hair elastic. Unclip the top ponytail, divide it into two sections, and bring those sections underneath the lower ponytail on the left and on the right side. Flip the top ponytail up and clip out of the way. Grab a strand of hair from the left and right side, add those to your ponytail, and tie with the hair elastic. Grab your top ponytail, divide it into two sections, and bring those sections underneath the lower ponytail again. Add the rest of your hair and tie with the bigger hair elastic. Pull your ponytail so that it goes higher up. Now pull the left and right loops of your hair you created and make them look very poofy. That's it! This may look complicated at first, but it's actually not that difficult, and it makes for an unusual looking ponytail. Make sure to also check out my other hair related videos. I will put the playlist right here on the screen for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with my next video. Bye!